And this question it is given that in the figure velocity v3 will be. So over here we can say that the amount of water which is going in should be equal to the amount of water which is coming out through point 2 as well as point 3. So we can use that continuity equation, or we can say that dm by dt in through point 1 should be equal to the sum of dm by dt rate of flow of water which is outlet, which is through 2 or through the pipe 3. So dm by dt through 3. So this dm by dt can be written as rho into a, or if as the rho is same, so we can take it as a1 v1 should be equal to a2 v2 plus a3 v3. So we can find out the value of v3 over here. A1 is given as 0.2, v1 is given as nothing but 4, a2 is given as 0.2, v2 is given as nothing but 2, plus a3 is given as nothing but 0.4, and v3 is we can take it as nothing but v3 over here. So this can be written as nothing but 0.8 is equal to 0.4 plus 0.4 into v3. So 0.8 minus 0.4 can be written as 0.4, which is equal to 0.4 into v3. So the value of v3 can be written as 0.4 divided by 0.4, that is equal to 1.